Let me tell you something, people. If I'm on the train or the bus or walking and I'm doing something like that with these thingamabobbies in my ear and you're talking to me, do you think I can hear you? If you hear my music, Julie, do you think I hear what you're saying? Because this is what I hear when these things are in my ear. This is what I hear. Look, stop talking to people. Stop talking to me when you know damn well I can't hear you. Use your common sense. Use common sense. Because if you can hear my music, I can't hear. Just a little word to the wise. Keep that in your brain, huh? Huh? Let it sit there, huh? Be mad at it. Because that's what you need to do. The next time you decide to talk to somebody, you can have thingamabobbies in your ear. 1